Okay, so next is about collenchyma tissue. Okay, so if you see here, see the structure. So you see here. Okay, you see the structure. What do you see at here? The most differences between the parenchyma cell is it contains very thick primary cell wall. First, and then second one is it does not have any intercellular space, meaning it is compactly to each other. It is tightly compact to each other one. The cells are tightly compact to each other one. And then what do you see again? What do you see again? So normally it is in polygonal shape and elongated cells, and it has the very thick primary cell wall, and then it has the uneven thickened primary cell wall. So these 2 points you can combine it lah. Elastic and flexible, arranged compactly with small intercellular space. So normally there are very small intercellular space only, and then the cell wall also not elliptified. It also contain chloroplast, contain nucleus and central vacuole. So the most differences from parenchyma cell is the cell wall is very thick. Cell wall is very thick and it is elastic and flexible, and then also the vacuole is not very big already, and they are tightly compact to each other lah, compared to parenchyma. So what are the function? Because it is very flexible, so this cell wall normally for collenchyma it can provide mechanical strength and support to the plant lah. And then this cell wall also able to stretch and elongate together with other cells and support tissue in young plants and herbaceous plants, because of it contain chloroplast. Also it can carry out photosynthesis and often form strand or continuous cylinder beneath of the epidermis of the stem and provide the support for stem in primary plant body. So these are all the function. So this is the structure, another structure you see under microscope. This one also. So you see that collenchyma cell is elongated and then more tightly compact to each other. There are also the space, but the space is very small compared to parenchyma cell.